Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this HD video with graphs. Copy and paste your video, and you're going to select the adjustments tab, go to curves, and you're going to basically do the same thing that I'm doing right now. Basically just putting the left to the up to the top and the right to the bottom. And once you are done with that, you're going to select the video, go back to video here, go to blend mode and select other linear burn or color burn, I think. Just adjust the opacity first and kind of see which one looks better. I think linear burn looks a little bit better. Than the color burn one. So do that. And you're going to go to library and you're going to add in a white overlay. I'm just going to freeze frame it so that I can adjust the duration here. Go to blend mode and select overlay for that. Then select this, like your original video or this video. Go to adjustments, go back to the basic section, and you're going to adjust the sharpen, or I think it's on this one where, yeah, it's on the background video where you do the adjustments on sharpen, and maybe add some clarity as well to it. Maybe adjust the brightness here because that is a little bit too bright. Add in some contrast, some saturation, just adjust it to your liking. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!